Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, Free Watch Face Tuesday continues. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, Free Watch Face Tuesday continue. I couldn't let this one get back. I had to show you. I thought this watch face was awesome and I thought you just might like this one. Now, the name of it is called Aurum. If I'm pronouncing that right, the name should be at the top, but this is definitely a great looking watch face in always on mode. It has a very nice way of giving you the time. Not a bad look at all. And when the watch face is on, I'm loving the animation that's going around the bezel of the watch. That looks pretty slick. And I like the moon phase up at the top as well. And this is definitely a decent looking watch face. You get your digital time, which is in a different type of font. And you also get your day, your date, and also the month. I thought this was pretty cool. And you can customize it if you double tap. And you can change the ambient mode, time format, inner ring, middle ring. Again, this is free for the taking. You can't beat it. I say check it out. I say download it, play with a nice outfit, and call it a super casual day. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out, as it helps my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.